Okay. So next exercise, that is exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3, that exercise 5.3, question number 1. Read the question number 1. Read the question number 1. That list the outcome, list the outcome spinning wheel. Okay. Playing with number is not included. Playing with the number is not included. List of outcomes you can see in the experiment, the spinning of the wheel. Okay. First of all, that if you spinning the wheel, what will you get the outcome? What will you get the outcome? There is A, B, C, D, E. So outcome will be you get either A or B or C or D or E. You will get that outcomes. You will get that outcomes. Okay. A, B, C, not E. Two. Actually, in that I have opened a page. There A, B, C, D, and E is there. That's why I have told E. Okay. Just I am checking. In your page, E is not there. In your book, no, E is not there. Okay. Wait. Yes, E is not there. That is, so we will remove. 2A are there. 2A are there. So outcomes are A, B, C, and D. Next question. 4 outcomes. So how many outcomes? 4. Next, tossing 2 coins together. Tossing 2 coins together. So what will be the outcome? Tossing 2 coins out. That is, outcome will be both the coin you can get. Okay. Anyone? Chat box, in the chat box put 4. Yes, 4 outcomes. So that is H, H, T, T. Both the coins head, both the coin tails, one head tail and tail head. Okay. These should be the outcomes. 4 outcomes you will get. Both head, both tail, one head, one tail and head. Okay. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. When a die is thrown, list of outcomes even getting a prime number. Okay. Okay. So 1A, that is prime number. So what the prime number when a die is thrown? Prime number, not probability. Or no, 1/2. 1/2. But here only the it is asked only the outcomes, not probability. Yes. So for prime number, that is 2, 3, 5. Okay. Next, not a prime number. B. Not a prime number means dice is thrown means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Among them, 2, 3, 4 is prime number. Then not a prime number you will get 1, 4, and 6. Clear it is? 1, 4, and 6. Yes. Question number 2. 2A. 2A. A number greater than 5. Number greater than 5. What is the answer? Quickly in the chat box. A number 2A, number greater than 5? Yes, 6. Answer is 6. B. A number not greater than 5. A number not greater than 5. 1. This is the white you answer. A number not greater than 5. So you can say, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also, because it is not mention not greater than. It can be it can take equal also. Okay. Okay. Next question number 3. Now here is the probability. It's very interesting. Question number 3. Question number 3. Probability of a pointer stopping at D. 1A question. So students, 1A you will get the event A, B, C and D. What is the probability that pointer stopping at D? So probability require probability, okay? Require probability. First of all, to find that type of probability, so how many possible cases are there? It can stop at A, it can stop at B, it can stop at C, it can stop at D. So 4 possibilities are there. Now, in this question it is asked what is the probability stop at D? At D means at what? At which? How many numbers at 1? D. So 1 by 4. Okay. That is 1 by 4. Oh, 2 A's are there. Yes, 2 A's are there. Okay, sorry. 2 A's are there means therefore 1 by 5, not 1 by 4. 2 A's are there. That's why, yes or not. As 2 A's are there, that's why 1 by 5. Okay. Got it? Possibility and probability you can take in your section. Probability and possibility. Probability is the number, okay, that lies between 0 and 1. Always probability lies between 0 and 1, and possibility in another way you can explain. Okay. Next, there are 4 S's. Question number B. Oh my God, it's long things to discuss. 4 S's in 52 cards. How many questions it has? 6. Okay, it has 6 questions, students. So I will discuss here that up to question number 4, because question number 3, because in a card I have to discuss the card. Okay, so in a 52 packet, question number B, in a packet of card, total number of cards 52, and there are 4 types of card. That is heart, club, diamond and spade. Okay, heart, club, diamond and spade, and each of them had 13 cards. Okay, and each of them, that heart, club, diamond and ace, there is 1 ace, 1 king, 1 queen and 1 jack. Now in this question, that is 4 aces in a deck of 52 playing cards. So required probability, total number of cards 52. So how many aces are there? 4. Okay, so 4 by 52, that equal to 1 by 30. It is clear to all of you. That probability, question number 2, is clear to all of you that each of them has 1 ace. So total number of ace in a packet of cards 4. That's why I have written 4 by 52, that is 1 by 30. Okay, very good. Now question number B. Question number C. Total number of apples, that is 7, and question is the probability of getting a red apple. Okay, so number of apples they are present, that is 7, and red apple, just look at the figure. The red apple is number of red apple 4. So required probability total number of apples 7. Among them 4 apples are red. So red getting apples, that is red, that is 4 by 7. Got it? So right answer is 4 by 7. Now moving on the next question. Moving on the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4. Number 1 to 10 written on to 10 separate slip kept in a box and mixed well. One slip chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of getting a number of 6? Very easy sums. First of all, question number 4. So total number of slip, that is 10. Total number of slip, that is 10. So required probability, and you want that a slip which have written on that slip, that is 6. That is only 1. That is only 1. So 1 by 10 is the answer. 1 by 10 is the probability. Got it, everyone? That is question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2. Getting a number less than 6. Less than 6. First of all, just write it down 10. Why it is 10? Because possible cases 10. Possible cases 10. Total number of slip also 10. Now less than 6, it means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So, how many slips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is? Okay. Okay, read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. That getting a number less than 6. Less than 6 means if you take 6, then that 6 is equal to 6. That 6 is not equal less than 6. That's why I will not take 6 the number. Got it? I cannot take 6. Clear it is or not? Okay, so 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2. Question number 3. Question number 3. That getting a number greater than 6. Greater than 6, here also you cannot take 6 because so number 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 possible outcomes. 4 possible outcomes, that is 4 by 10. That is 2 by 5. Okay, and last one, possibility getting 1 digit number. Possibility of getting a 1 digit number. 1 digit number, that is 1 to 9, all are 1 digit number, that is 9 by 10. Okay, that is 9 by 10. Okay, clear it is? Clear it is? Now moving on question number. Moving on question number. Question number 5. Okay, moving on question number 5. If you have spinning wheel, that is 3 green sector, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. Okay, so total 5 sector, 3 green sector, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. Okay, what is the probability of getting green sector? First of all, total number of sector 5 and green sector. How many green sector? 3. So 3 by 5 is the answer. Got it, everyone? That is 3 by 5. Next question, that is what is the probability of non-blue? First of all, 5. Total number of probability 5. The number of possibilities is 5. Non-blue means blue is 1, 3 and 4. 4 sectors are there which are not non-blue. So 4 by 5 is the correct answer. 4 by 5 is the correct answer. Got it, everyone? So today I end this class here. Tomorrow, that is on Thursday. Thursday I will get another class. On that class I will go for the revision. Various type of MCQ. Okay, mainly on middle term factor and which may chance to come in the exam. That type of question I will discuss on Thursday. Okay, and must follow the offline class also. Which in revision portion must follow the offline class. Okay, so student, thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this class little bit, and those who are present, write it down in the chat box. Yes, sir.